Hi, tasty learners. Welcome to English with Alice. I'm Alice, and today we're learning English through cooking. We'll use simple recipes and easy phrases perfect for beginners. Have you ever wanted to say, stir the pot, or this tastes yummy in English? Well, this A1-A2 video turns your kitchen into a language class with a fun Pakistani tea recipe. You don't need any fancy tools, just easy steps. By the end of this video, you'll know new words for chopping, mixing, and tasting. Now, repeat after me. I'm ready to cook in English. Delicious. Let's get to the kitchen. First, let's learn some basic kitchen vocabulary. These are words for actions and tools. The word chop means to cut something into small pieces, like an onion. We stir with a spoon in a pot. We pour water or tea from one container to another, and we taste with a spoon to see if our food is yummy. For example, you can say about this onion, I chop the onion small. For the spoon, you can say, I stir the mixture. Now, pause the video and try it yourself. Pick a tool you have and say, I ... action with a ... tool. For example, I pour water. Perfect. In Pakistani cooking, we use this for tea. Boil water first. Now, let's learn some phrases for the steps in a recipe. Now, let's practice phrases for cooking, just like following a recipe. You might say, add salt. And someone could ask, how much? Another useful phrase is mix well with a spoon. We also use our senses when we cook. You can say, this smells good. Or if something is too strong, it tastes spicy, add water. For our Pakistani tea example, a key step is pour hot water in the cup. Then add tea leaves and sugar, stir slowly. Here's a fun twist to make you feel like a chef hero. You can say, as a super chef, this tea is perfect. Now, pause here. What's the phrase for mixing? Stir the ... item. Try it with your own prop. Yum. These phrases will make your cooking conversations so much easier. Now, let's put it all together in a full recipe roleplay. It's time for our roleplay. We're going to make a simple Pakistani tea recipe. Pretend you are the chef. Step 1. Boil water in the pot. Your helper might ask, how long? The chef answers, for 5 minutes. Watch it. Step 2 is add tea leaves and sugar, stir gently. Then you can taste it and say, it smells nice. Is it too sweet? Add milk. And for step 3, pour it in the cup. It's ready to drink. For our chef hero twist, you can announce, super tea is done. Yum. Now, pause the video and let's role-play step 1. Say boil water, add tea. Act it out with your bowl. Delicious practice. This is how you build confidence in the kitchen. Now, let's review everything and have a fun challenge. Let's do a quick review. My kitchen stars. For vocabulary, we learned chop, stir, pour, and taste. For phrases, we practiced add salt and mix well. And for our recipe, the steps were boil water, add tea, pour in a cup. Now, for some tasty test fun, imagine you're tasting your tea. You could say, it tastes hot and sweet perfect. Or maybe, it's too spicy, add more water. Time for a quick quiz. What is the action for mixing things in a pot? Stir. Great job. Now pause one last time and say your favorite phrase. For example, I action the ... item. Yay, you are officially a cooking English pro. You did it. You cooked up some amazing English skills today. Let's review one last time. Chop the onion, stir the pot, and it tastes good. Now for your challenge. I want you to make a simple tea or even just pretend and describe it in the comments below. You can write, my tea tastes, and then an adjective like sweet or hot. If you can, share a picture too. If you're hungry for more lessons like this, give this video a like and subscribe to English with Alice. Don't forget to turn on the bell for more hobby-based English lessons. Next up, we have more recipes. From Pakistan, let's cook and speak together. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.